Hello, this is our document for Deliverable 2. For our domain class model, some of the changes that were made were putting the name of the diagram next to package in the top left corner. We had ASTA organize the connections coming out of identifiable, and we deleted the password attribute of user since it's replaced by the password hash field. In our system class model, we made some similar changes, such as removing password since it was replaced with password hash. We also changed the type to string. We renamed it to system class model, as well as placed the name next to package. We changed challenges name type to string. And we also changed the start date and end date from being the type local date to zone date time. For our use case model, the only change that was made was renaming it from diagram to use case model. Then in our previous week, we made sequence diagrams for create team, join team, and join challenge. Some of our reviews said that they didn't seem very cohesive, so we made changes such as putting colon in front of the system, removed the numbers, and made sure all of our arrows matched. This week, 2 new sequence diagrams were made for add challenge to system and add activity to challenge. In the add challenge to system, you can see where an organizer can create a challenge, some of the errors being the start date is invalid or a payment failed. And then if the challenge initialized is successful, they can add activities, define activities, and then it's added to the system and ready to launch. For the add activity to challenge, you can see where the athlete can add an activity to the challenge. Some of the errors being if the athlete has not entered the challenge, or their activity ID is not found, or their metric does not fulfill the activity's requirements, or if successful, the activity was posted. Below, we have an activity diagram for joint teams at a high level. You can see where create team, team doesn't exist, team already exists, athlete is on the team, so then you can view their progress. If the athlete is not on the team, they can join the team. These are the activity diagrams that were referenced for join team, create team, and to view a team member's progress.